How to go from part-time freelancer to full-time. Making the leap from part-time to full-time freelancing is a goal for many, but it's also a significant step. Freelancing full-time offers flexibility and independence, but it requires careful planning and strategy to build a stable, thriving career. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to make the transition smoothly, from assessing your financial readiness to creating a strong personal brand and managing your time effectively. Let's dive in. 1. Assessing your current situation. Before you make the switch to full-time freelancing, it's essential to evaluate your current position. Ask yourself, do I have a consistent income from freelancing that could support me full-time? Is my client base steady, or am I still in the process of finding my footing? Start by tracking your freelance income to determine if it's both reliable and growing. It's also wise to save up at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses, as a financial cushion will allow you to handle the ups and downs of freelancing. Finally, analyze your client base. If you have regular clients who bring consistent work, you're in a stronger position to consider going full-time. 2. Building a strong personal brand. When transitioning to full-time freelancing, a strong personal brand is invaluable. Your brand sets you apart in your niche and helps attract clients who value your expertise. Begin by defining your niche. Be specific about what you offer and to whom. Are you a graphic designer specializing in logo design, or a copywriter focusing on SaaS businesses? Next, create an impressive portfolio showcasing your best work, whether through a personal website or a dedicated portfolio platform. Additionally, make a social media presence on platforms like LinkedIn or Instagram, where you can engage with potential clients by sharing insights, past projects, and testimonials. A strong brand builds trust, making it easier to secure high-quality clients and attract referrals. 3. Building a sustainable client base. One of the greatest concerns freelancers face when going full-time is the fear of dry spells, periods when work slows down. To counter this, focus on building a client base that is sustainable and diversified. First, identify your ideal clients, those who fit your niche and can afford your rates. Networking is essential, so leverage LinkedIn, attend virtual or in-person industry events, and join online communities where your potential clients are active. Regular pitching, even during busy times, is also vital. By consistently reaching out to new clients and nurturing existing relationships, you can maintain a steady stream of work and minimize slow periods. 4. Setting your rates for full-time success. Setting the right rates is a critical step for full-time freelancing. To create a sustainable income, you need to avoid undercharging for your services. Start by researching industry rates within your niche to get a sense of what others charge. From there, determine your baseline, an hourly or project-based rate that accounts for your skill level, experience, and the value you deliver. It's also wise to consider your annual income goals, factoring in downtime, vacation periods, and months when work may be slower. By setting strategic rates, you ensure that your freelancing income can cover both regular expenses and unexpected gaps. 5. Creating a routine that maximizes productivity. When you're freelancing full-time, managing your own time can be both freeing and challenging. Without a traditional boss to keep you accountable, productivity becomes your responsibility. Set clear daily goals to outline what needs to be accomplished each day, and consider using time blocking to dedicate specific hours to different tasks, such as client work, marketing, and skill development. Remember, breaks are essential to avoid burnout, so make time for short breaks and activities that refresh you. A balanced routine enables you to consistently produce high-quality work and maintain a healthy work-life balance. 6. Building a financial plan for freelance stability. Transitioning to full-time freelancing involves financial adjustments. Without a predictable paycheck, it's crucial to set up a financial plan that provides stability. Start by creating a budget that covers essential expenses and leaves room for saving. Setting aside a portion of each paycheck for taxes and health insurance is also important, since freelancers are responsible for these costs. An emergency fund can offer peace of mind and help you stay afloat during slower months. With a financial plan in place, you can focus on building your freelance business without stressing over short-term financial concerns. 7. Diversifying your income streams. Relying solely on client work as a full-time freelancer can be risky, so consider creating additional income streams. Start by offering related services. If you're a content writer, for instance, add services like editing or consulting. Passive income options, such as digital products, online courses, or templates, are also worth exploring. You could also consider consulting or mentoring newer freelancers or small businesses if you're experienced in your field. Having multiple income sources can not only supplement your main earnings but also provide financial security during quieter months. 8. Transitioning smoothly into full-time freelancing. Making the transition to full-time freelancing can be intimidating, but a steady, gradual approach can ease the process. If you're currently working part-time or full-time, gradually scale up your freelance work alongside it until you reach a point where your freelance income is close to your primary salary. Inform your key clients about your full-time freelancing plans. They may have additional work opportunities or referrals. When the time comes to resign from your current job, consider any responsibilities that may need to be handed over, such as training a replacement or completing final projects. A planned exit allows for a smooth transition, ensuring that you step into full-time freelancing with confidence. So, transitioning from part-time to full-time freelancing is an exciting journey, but it requires thoughtful planning and a solid strategy. By assessing your financial readiness, building a strong brand, securing a sustainable client base, and planning for financial stability, you can make the leap with confidence. We hope these tips have given you a roadmap to follow on your freelancing journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if it helped you. Best of luck, and welcome to the world of full-time freelancing.